Okay, now I've got a set of text that's in here already tabbed that you might already have existing. And what we're going to do is we're going to highlight that text, and we're going to go to Table and Convert Text to Table. And it's going to find out where the tabs are set up in this text, and it's going to convert all the tabs to rows. So now we have all this stuff set up, and I can move these columns, I can do all this stuff. If I hold down the Shift key and grab the columns, it will move the columns separately and not move the whole piece like we have seen already. And if I want, I can come in here and select this whole column, because it's added a column that we really don't care if we have or not. It's just empty, and we can go up to Table and we can go to Delete Column. So changing this is going to be so easy, and a great way to set up your stuff. Now, if you're looking at tables, you can see that all this information is going to run together pretty quickly. So let's highlight this table, and let's go up underneath Table, and let's go to Table Options and do to Alternating Fills. And in here we can say, okay, we would like, and make sure you turn on the stupid preview button, and we're going to go to Fills, and we're going to say Alternating Pattern every other row, and we can say please change that to blue 20%, and if you can take a look, boom, we now have tables already in the colors, and we can tell how much percentage of the color. We can do whatever we want to change this out. So if I grab this and drag it down a little bit, notice what happens when I drag it down too far. It gives us the overflow button so that we know that there is extra text in there. There really isn't extra text, it's just that I brought the table down that far. So we can come in here, we can adjust all this. Also, remember to adjust things inside the table, we must be in the Type tool. Grab that, pull that down, grab the bottom, pull that up. Everything works out just fine. Alright, so now let's say we make a brand new document, and we can file place, so we can bring in a Word document, an Excel document. So I'm going to place that Excel document, and there it is. That's an Excel document. You saw that had the Excel extension, and we're just going to double click, highlight, and Table Convert Text to Table. Voila. There we go. So if I hold the Shift key, we can move these things around, and this is just the same example I had before. I'm going to highlight that, and Table, delete column, highlight the column, Table, delete column, and stretch that out a little bit right there. Hold the Shift key down, grab the center piece and move it over, and look at that. Nicely done. Works really easy. We can just keep moving things around, figure out what we want to do here, and life is good.